What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CC. How you doing? Welcome back, and if you are new, thank you for watching. And while y'all here, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Y'all, it's been 2 weeks since I posted my vlog for my birthday. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. It took so much time, and yeah, today is just some chill. It is a Thursday. I'm going to my best friend's house. We're gonna cook, we're gonna chill. It's gonna be full of vibes, and I just want y'all to spend this day with me. It is 2:41. I just got off work at 2 o'clock, so I'm literally just about to do my hair and then go to the grocery store and just cook. I honestly don't know what I'm doing to my, like, what I'm going for real. It's a chill vibe. Like, it's not nothing serious, so I don't really have to get too dressed up. This is the hair. It looks nappy right now, but it's gonna come together. Right now we're gonna do this face. Let's do a life update. How about that? Let's do a life update. So y'all, just a quick life update. Okay, I am now 21. That's different. That's new for us, right? It is. And I'm actually enjoying it. I'm not gonna lie. Let me stop playing for real. I am enjoying 21. Like, I like being able to just do what I want and get a bottle and, you know, be 21, you know. But what I can say, and as I get older period, I'm getting tired of people in general. Like, I don't like people. I start to find everybody weird. Like, you could just do one thing to me and you're weird as fuck to me. Like, just weird. I can say right now, life is very stable. Not very, but it's pretty stable. It's stable enough, you know. I got good friends, you know. The love life is still horrible, but that doesn't matter. Mind your business. My love life will always be horrible, and I just come to realize that, like it could always be like this. It may not. Like, I'm not rushing love. I'm not rushing to be with anybody. I'm just enjoying life at this point right now. I am dating though. Like, I am dating, I guess that's what you can call it. Like, I'm single. I'm open to dates and enjoying others' company. If that's dating, like, I don't think there's a pure definition of dating. Everyone has their own definition. Mine is getting to know people, you know. That's just my definition. Everyone has a different definition. I feel like a lot of my friends' definition of dating is totally different from mine. And shit, that's okay. Like, everybody has a different definition, and everybody has a different role. Everybody plays a different role. Shit. I don't give a fuck about a relationship right now. I be feeling like I want one, like, here and there, but I'm literally just be lying to myself, because there's absolutely no way I feel like a relationship could benefit me right now. Like you have to come from God. Like, God would literally have to purposely send someone to me. Like, literally send someone to me and be like, oh wow, like, yeah, this person has everything I want. And I don't see that from anybody right now. Like, you know, it might be too soon. You know, you never say never, but my expectations are so high in people. So, like, that's really why I'm just so single and stern on a relationship right now. Realize everybody that comes in your life does not need a relationship out of you. Like, everybody don't deserve that out of me. Y'all all don't deserve, oh, that was my ex. No, the fuck I wasn't. How y'all feel about the, somebody asking you to be their girlfriend? Like, is that still a thing? Or do people just not do that anymore? Like, y'all just be talking for a very long time. Or not even a long time, like a few months. And then y'all just come to an agreement, like, and establish, like, y'all just like, it is what it is. Like, we both know, like, it's a unspoken thing. Is that a thing still? Like, do y'all still do that? Cause me, on the other hand, shit. If you don't ask me to be your girlfriend, I'm not gonna assume I'm your girlfriend. Like, you have to ask me in a nice way. I feel like it's about to be summertime and everybody is in a relationship, and that is just so ugly. Like, we supposed to be outside. Y'all trying to be in love. I do not like that. I've been hanging lately, y'all. I've really been outside, like, just enjoying my life, like my 20s. I feel like a lot of us in our 20s forget that we're 20. Like, we're still kids, low-key, like, you know, especially me. Like, I live alone. I've been living alone since I was 18. Been paying bills since I was 18. So, like, you get out of touch with being your age. Like, everything is just so serious, and I don't want to be no serious ass person all the time. Like, I want to live a little, like, you know. I feel like that happens to the best of us, like, just forgetting to be our age and, like, living life, you know. I'm going to Atlanta soon, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm going for my best friend's birthday. Hopefully we collab with some people down there. You know, more content. It's gonna be crazy. I'm so excited for that. I feel like I low-key have lost my motivation with creating content, and I'm barely getting started. Like, a round of applause to the people that really do this, like, on a daily basis, like, that really, they're living off of content creating, because this is not easy. Like, I know a lot of people just look and be like, wow, like, all you do is sit in front of a camera, like, but no, this is not hard. Like, this is really a job. Like, not my eyelashes growing. Okay. I was gonna go for like I was trying to go for a soft bead, but like, my soft beads be looking like full face, like, glams, and I swear, y'all, all I do is put concealer. Y'all just seen me. This is all I be doing. I don't even be doing a lot. I don't think this is a lot. I don't have on no foundation or nothing. It's my skin and concealer and a really, really good lip combo. I don't think I'm gonna give y'all a house tour one day. One day, not right now though, but one day. All right, y'all. I got the groceries. Oh shit! And I'm about to head out.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, higher than they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Which we at Walmart, which I feel like is just so ghetto, because I don't ever shop here. She be shopping here. I don't. I be shopping at like Kroger and shit.
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son of
everybody over, and we had TV dinners. Yo, we should do that. Come on, yo.
They sell
Buy hella TV dinners.
The 10 for 10. And then when everybody come out.
No, they gonna eat them bitches when they at home.
Everybody come out.
You need to pay attention to your vlog.
Hey y'all.
Plus we talking to.
Hey y'all. We about to get the cooking. Mia putting the groceries away. Might start cooking soon here. Do y'all clean y'all meat though? Me and my best clean ours. Hopefully y'all clean y'all meat the way we finna clean ours. Here.
Maybe I should. I met him in Philly, and the name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar.
Say hi, mommy. Say hi. Say hi, Diddy Bud. Say hi.
Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Yo, I literally done forgot about y'all. Yo, this the food. We got the baked mac and cheese made by my cousin, cabbage made by me, baked beans made by me, ribs made by me, yams made by me, cornbread made by my cousin. This shit. I'm almost done already. I don't even got no appetite no more. I'm waiting for hours. This shit go crazy. This is just wild as fuck. Like, everything is gone.
That shit is animals.
Everything but the roast. Everything is gone. Y'all seen it before. This is wild as fuck. This concludes my video. So make sure y'all do what you're supposed to do. Yeah, bye.
You just a bad wannabe. She like it how I move. Yeah, I'm in my back, she in hers too. Don't get confused. I'll send a nigga to God, it ain't no rule.